Hello, this is a review of assignment sheet number 5, and I'm going to begin with the warm-ups just as students should begin practicing at home. And after you make a piano hand, just letting your hand hang loosely by your side, moving it up to the keyboard and checking that their knuckles are pointing straight up to the ceiling. There's space underneath the hand on both sides, and you have a loose thumb. And the wrist is nice and even. You want to really maintain that hand while you play the warm-up. And if something doesn't look quite the same, you really need to play softer and with less energy. So the warm-up is playing connected and not connected sounds on 2 black keys. So first you want to make sure you still have that good piano hand to begin with. And I'm going to begin with not connected sounds. Good to play it 3 times, whether going up in 3 groups or going up and then back down is just really a matter of the student's size. And if we start to see some stress in the hand, you know, the back of the hand becoming tight, fingers popping up, we just need to play with less energy. Because that kind of control is really fundamental for going ahead and playing the pieces really beautifully. So after that, we want to play connected sounds. And it's great to check for a piano hand right before they play and right after. All right. And then after that, we move on to new pieces. And the first new piece is called Climbing. And with each piece, I think it's a great idea to look at the piece and notice the signs on the page. For instance, I notice on this page that the piece goes higher and then lower. And that it begins with the right hand, the second group begins with the right hand, but the third and fourth groups begin with left hand. Great to identify that and actually raise the hand that starts each of those groups. I also notice that it's forte, so it's loud. And we begin by playing and finding the moves, going higher, back down, and then lower. And that might need to be done several times. And of course, before that, we'll need to point and count. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. And then students play and count. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. And so they should be able to hear their counting. Whisper counting, counting in your mind, really isn't advisable right now. And then they repeat that 3 times and make a check on their assignment sheet. So the check on the assignment sheet really represents doing those 3 steps: pointing and counting, finding the moves, and playing and counting 3 times. The next piece on the assignment sheet is Halloween on page 19. And as I look over this piece, I notice it goes lower on the keyboard, so it'll go lower this way. And that both groups are identical, except that the first one is forte and the second one is piano. And the first group starts with left hand, ends with left hand. The next group begins with left hand and ends with left hand. So I'll point and count first. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. And then we need to find the moves. It's on 3 black keys. And then down. And we can play the first one loud and the second one soft. And then we play and count. The left hand begins. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then repeat that 2 more times. The last new piece is Jumbo, which is in their new book on page 4. And when I look at this piece, I notice it goes higher in 4 groups. And all the groups are the same except the last one, which doesn't use the left hand. And it begins with right hand, right hand, right hand, right hand. So first thing to do is to point and count. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. So we find the position. So the right hand is on 2 black keys, left hand is on the top of 3. And we play that till it's really comfortable going higher. And the last group we only need the right hand. And then we play and count. This piece starts on finger 3. So it goes 3, 2, 3, left, 3, 2, 3, left, 3, 2, 3, left, 3, 2, 3. So it's good to say that instead of counting, just to make sure the fingers are just right. So it goes 3, 2, 3, left, in all the groups except the last one. And then that's repeated at least 2 more times. The composing piece is arranging kites to make a new piece. So they can change that piece just like they did on the bleachers and make a brand new one out of it and write their title at the bottom of the page. Okay, well thank you very much and happy practicing.